deployment of the Dragon spacecraft from the second stage. Now, if you're just joining us, we had an on-time liftoff at 11:17 a.m. Eastern Time, successfully recovered the first stage, which you can see on your screen. Dragon attached to the second stage in orbit around the planet. Second stage doing some checks right now, verifying that its attitude is appropriate for Dragon separation shortly after, all in all, very nominal mission so far, and just what we want to see. So with that, I think we can actually check in with the flight controllers at NASA's Johnson Space Center who have been monitoring the mission. Leah, how are things going over there?
Hi Sheva, thank you. An amazing launch, and things are going well over here too. Flight controllers here are monitoring the International Space Station, and as I mentioned earlier, they will begin joint operations tomorrow once Cargo Dragon enters the approach ellipsoid, or an invisible sphere around the International Space Station that's 4 kilometers by 2 kilometers by 2 kilometers, and helps us monitor the approach and departure of visiting vehicles. We have seen second stage separation and obviously that first stage landing on the drone ship. Next major milestone we'll be looking for is for second stage cutoff, and then eventually second stage separation from the Cargo Dragon, when Cargo Dragon will begin flying free on its own. We'll be looking for separation to come in just about 30 seconds now. Shortly thereafter, there will be some checkouts performed on the service section Draco thrusters on the vehicle.
Look at how close it looks to Earth.
At the time of launch today, the International Space Station was flying 257 statute miles over the southern Indian Ocean west of Perth, Australia. As we mentioned earlier, we have a full house aboard the International Space Station of 7 people and 5 visiting vehicles. That will turn into 6 tomorrow. As Murray mentioned, a full parking lot, home for the holidays.
Dragon separation confirmed.
And with second stage separation confirmed, Cargo Dragon is now flying free on its own, continuing its journey to the International Space Station.